Hi everyone. Last lecture we have seen the section formula and the distance formula. This lecture we are going to see the area of triangle. You know, area of a triangle is half base into height. Area of a triangle is half base into height. But after that we have learned the Heron's formula. When the three sides of a triangle are given and we don't have the height, then we can use the Heron's formula. Heron's formula was S S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, S minus C, where A, B and C was the sides of a triangle, And what is S? S was the semi-perimeter. S is the semi-perimeter. So this was the Heron's formula. Now, this year, we are going to learn the different formula of area of triangle when the coordinates are given. That means, vertices of all the three sides, all the three vertices are given in coordinates, xy. Let ABC be the triangle whose vertices are x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. Draw AP. AP is this. BQ and CR perpendicular from A, B and C respectively from the x-axis. From this figure, we can clearly see that ABQP, APRC and BQRC are all trapeziums. So, when you have to find the area of a triangle here, what we have to do is area of a trapezium ABQP minus plus area of a trapezium APRC minus area of a trapezium BQRC, then you get the area of a triangle. Now what is the formula for area of a trapezium? Half into sum of the parallel sides into height. Area of a trapezium is half into sum of the parallel sides. I'll say P1 plus P2 into height. So area of a trapezium is this. So here area of a triangle is equal to half into sum of the area of the trapezium plus half into area of the other trapezium minus area of the other trapezium, what we have said it earlier. Here area of a trapezium ABQP. So half into BQ plus AP, they are the parallel sides and QP is the height. Plus area of a trapezium APRC. This trapezium, that is half, again parallel sides, is AP plus CR into height, that is PR, minus area of a trapezium BQRC minus half into BQ plus CR into QR. Then put up the values. What is that? X1, X2, Y1, Y2, X3, Y3. Put up all the values and you get Y2 plus Y1, X1 minus X2. Here also Y1 plus Y3 and so on. Here you have to multiply Y2 into this, X2 into this. In how we are multiplying binomial into binomial. In that way we are going to multiply and we get this. Half into x1 bracket y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. And so the area of the triangle is this. Okay. From this formula, we can find out the areas of a triangle. Find the area of the triangle whose vertices they have given you and you can find out in the same manner. In some examples, in some sums, if we get the minus sign, find the area of the triangle, they have asked us, find the area of the triangle and they have given the vertices A, B, C. And if we get the minus sign, since the area is measured which cannot be negative, so we will take the minus sign as positive sign and the area will be positive. The area of the triangle formed by the given point is equal to, if it is 0, if any area of a triangle is 0, that means the vertices will be collinear. Suppose area of this triangle is 0, that means these vertices are all collinear. The given points are collinear. Find the value of k if point A, B, C are collinear. Since the area of a triangle is collinear, directly you can put the 0 in front of area of a triangle and put the values, and you can find out the value of k. Now we'll do our exercise, that is our last exercise 7.3. Find the area of a triangle whose vertices are so and so given. It is exercise 7.3. First one, area of a triangle. Let A, that is 2 3, B minus 1 0, C 2 minus 4. Here write it, x1 is equal to 2, y1 is equal to 3. y1 is equal to 3. x2 is equal to minus 1, y2 is equal to 0. y2 is equal to 0. y2 is 0. x3 is equal to 2 and y3 is minus 4. Put up the values. What is your area of a triangle? Half into x1. Learn करायला लागणार आहे हा area of a triangle x1, that is x2 minus y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. See, when it is x1 here, shortcut में learn करना है तो x1 आहे आणि इकडे y2 y3, x2 आहे इकडे y3 y1 आहे, इकडे x3 आहे तर आपल्याला y1 minus 2 असंही लर्न करा. Now half, what is your x1? 2, y2 is 0, what is your y3, that is minus of minus 4. So I will write it here like this, plus x2 minus 1, x2 is minus 1, y3 minus 4 minus y1 3 plus x3 2, again y1, that is 3 and y2 is 0. In this lesson there are a lot of calculations. We have to just be careful while plotting the points and while writing the points. 0 minus of minus 4, that is 0 plus 4 and you get it 4, plus minus 1, minus 3 minus 4, that is minus 7, plus 2, 3. Half, 8, minus minus, plus, and 1 into 7 is 7, plus 6, and you get it 21 upon 2. So area of the triangle is 21 upon 2. Next one, I'll do it here only. Next one, what is the next one? Minus 5 minus 1. Let A is equal to minus 5 minus 1, B is equal to 3 minus 5, and C equal to 5 and 2. Okay. Again write the same thing. x1 is so and so. x1 is equal to minus 5. y1 is equal to minus 1. x2 is equal to 3. y2 is equal to minus 5. x3 is equal to 5. y3 is equal to 2. Use the formula, that is area of triangle is equal to half x1, so y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Barabar? Then half, what is your x1? That is minus 5. What is your y2? Minus 5 and minus 2. Then x2 is 3, y3 is 2 minus y3 is 2 minus of minus 1 plus y3, x3 is 5, y1 again, y1 is minus 1, y2 is minus of minus 5, and you get it this. Okay? Half minus 5, minus 5 minus 2 is minus 7, plus 3, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1 is 3, you can write it directly, 5 minus 1 plus 5. What you get is minus 5 into minus 7 is minus 35, plus 3 into 3 is 9, 4 5 is a, you get it 20. X3, what is x3? X3 is 5. 4 5 is a 20, and what is the answer you are going to get? Minus into minus, here it is plus, and half, 35 plus this, 55 plus 9 you get 64, and that is 32 square units. Here also please write square units. Okay. Now what is our second one? What is our question second? In each of the following, find the value of k for which the points are collinear. Now what I said it earlier, if the points are collinear, then area of a triangle is 0. When a points are collinear, area of a triangle is 0. So let A is equal to 7 minus 2, B is equal to 5 1, and C is equal to 3k. I'll write this small. C is equal to 3k. Now here you have to write it. If the area of the triangle formed by this collinear point is 0, area of a triangle formed by 3 collinear points is 0. And then you can substitute the values, that is x1 equal to 7, y1 is equal to minus 2, x2 is equal to 5, y2 is equal to 1, x3 is equal to 3, and y4 is equal, y3 is equal to k. Area of a triangle is half into x1, y2 minus y3. Each and every time you write the formula, that you'll get learned it by heart. Plus x3, y3 minus y2. Half. What is your x1? That is 7. y2 minus y3, that is 1 minus k, plus 5. x3 minus y1, that is k minus of minus 2, plus x3, that is 3, y3 is k minus, it is 1 here, y1 is minus 2, okay. Now 7 into 1 minus k plus 5 into k minus and minus 2 is plus, round bracket I'll put it, and here it is minus 3. What you get is half into 7 minus 7k plus 5k plus 10 minus 9. minus 7 plus 5 you get minus 2k, and 10 plus 7 17. 17 minus 9 is 8. Now when area of a triangle formed by three collinear points is 0, that means here area will be 0. 2 into 0 is 0. I'll cross multiply that 2 and I get minus 2k minus 8, and therefore 2k is equal to minus 8. I think so. Here I get plus, yes. So this 2k, then k is equal to 4. 4, what they have said as no unit. So k is equal to 4. Second one, what is the second one? This is the question second, first one, and this will be the question 2, second one. What is our second one? 8, 1, k minus 4 and 2n minus 3. Let a be 8, 1, b be k minus 4 and c be 2 minus 5. Okay? Yes. Again use the formula, again write the same statement here also. The area of a triangle formed by three collinear point is 0. Area of a triangle formed by three collinear points is 0. Okay, therefore x1 is equal to 8, y1 is equal to 1, x2 is equal to k, y2 equal to minus 4. Minus 4, x3 is 2, y3 is minus 5. Your area of a triangle's formula, that is half x1, y1, y2 minus y3 plus x2, y3 minus y1 plus x3 and y1 minus y2. Okay, just put all the values. Half into what is your x1, that is 8, y2 minus 4 and minus y3 is 5. Again I have to put the curl bracket here. x1 is 8, y2 is minus 4 minus of minus 5. Just see the signs. X2 is k, y3 is minus 5, y3 is minus 5 and this is minus 1. x3 is 2, y1 is 1 and y2 is minus of minus 4. So 1 minus of minus 4, you get this. Okay. Now that is equal to half 8 minus 4, minus into minus is plus 5 plus k minus 6 plus 2, 1 plus 4. Be careful while solving this sums. 1 minus 6k plus 4 plus 1, 5. 5 2s are 10. And what you get is half. 8, 10 plus 8, 18 minus 6k. And you get is half. Just take out the common thing. Otherwise just multiply this 2 by 0. And so you get it. Only 18 minus 6k, and when you bring this 6k, it gets 6k equal to 18 and k equal to 3 units. Okay, so this was your question number second. What is your question number third? Find the area of the triangle formed by joining the midpoints of the side of the triangle whose vertices are given, then find the ratio. Then find the ratio of this area to the area of the given triangle. That means, so third one is area of a triangle formed by joining the midpoints of the triangle. And vertices दिलेले आहेत, find the ratio of their area to the area of the given triangle. That means when you draw a triangle and they have given you the midpoints, a triangle that is A, B and C. Let M be the midpoint of this, N be this and this be P. So when this midpoint is given, we have to draw this, join all the lines and you get a small triangle, that is new triangle, that is MNP. So what you have to do is you have to find the ratio of this area to the area of original triangle. That means you have to find out the ratio of area of triangle ABC to the ratio of triangle MNP. You have to find out this. Okay. Again, first of all, do the find the area of a triangle ABC, then find the area of a triangle MNP. But before finding this, you have to do something other, one more thing. What is it? One more thing. When you have to find out the area of a triangle MNP, you have to find out the vertices of MNP. They have not given us. So before that, we have to find the midpoint of AB, that is the point M, midpoint of AC, that is N, and midpoint of BC, that is P. So first of all, we will find the MNP by the midpoint formula. Solution. Let A be 0, -1, B be 2 and 1, and C be 0, 3. Okay. By midpoint formula. By midpoint formula, what you are going to find out? M, N and P. That is, what is your midpoint formula? x1, x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. This is your midpoint formula. Now we are going to find out this. Yes, A. 0 plus 2 upon 2. We'll find out the M point first. Okay. Now, -1 plus 1 upon 2. What you get is M is equal to 2 upon 2. Upon 2 and 0, that is M you get is M is equal to 1 and 0. Okay. So M you got this. What is your N? N is A and C, midpoint of A and C. So take the points A and C. That is 0. First one will be 0. Second one will be -1 plus 3 divided by 2. This is 0 plus 0. No? So I have not written it. And N is equal to 0. 2 upon 2. And you get N equal to 0 and 1. So this will be your N. What is your P? The midpoint of B and C. P, midpoint of B and C, that is 0 plus 2 upon 2 and 1 plus 3 upon 2, and P is equal to 2 upon 2 and 4 upon 2, and that you get is 1 and 2. 1 and equal to 1 and so you got it P also. Now you can find the area of the triangle MNP. Area of the triangle MNP. How you are going to find? I'll write it here. Find the area of a triangle. Area of a triangle MNP. MNP. Where your I have taken N is equal to 1, N is equal to x1, y1, P is equal to x2 y2 and M is equal to x3 y3. Find out area of a triangle. Area of triangle. Half into x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Okay, half, what is your x1? That is n. x1 is 0 into y2. Before that I'll write it here so we will not get confused. N is 0 1, no? So x1 y1 is 0 and 1. x2 y2 is we have taken m, no? So no, p. So 1 and 2 and x3 y3 is 1 and 0. y2 2 minus what is your y3? 0. y3 is 0. Plus what is your x2? 1. y3 is 0 minus y1 is 1. Plus what is your x3? That is 1. y1 is 1 minus y2 is 2. What you get? 0 plus 1 and here actually you get it here minus 1. Minus 1 into 1 is minus 1 and here also minus 1 and that is half into minus 2 and 2 gets cancelled, you get minus 1, but your area is a measurement, it cannot be negative, so it is positive, as area cannot be negative, it is positive 1 square unit. We'll just recheck it. Half x1 is 0, y2 is 2, x3 y3 is 0, x2 is 1, y3 is 0, y1 is 1. Okay, it is correct. Now, but here we have to find out the area of the triangle ABCD also. Now find area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC, we have taken it. A is so and so, B is so and so, C is so and so. So just put on the values and we will find it. Here also we will write A is equal to 0 minus 1 and that is equal to x1 y1. B is equal to 2 1 and that is equal to x2 y2. And C is equal to 0 3 and that is equal to x3 y3. Okay. Now find out area of a triangle. Area of a triangle is equal to half into x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y2 y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. That is half. What is your x1? 0. y2 1. y3 3. Plus x2 is 2. y3 0 3 minus y1 minus of minus 1. Minus of minus 1. Barabar? Plus x3 is 0. y1 minus 1 minus y2. That is half. Here you get 0. When you multiply something by 0, you get 0. Plus 2, 3 minus of minus 1 is 4 and 3 plus, minus of minus 1, that is plus 1, and 3 plus 1 is 4, and 4 into 2 is 8, and here also 0, and you get half into 8, and that is 4. So area of triangle ABC is 4 square unit. Now what will be the ratio? Therefore, required ratio of area of triangle NPM is to triangle ABC is 1 upon 4, that is 1 is to 4. Okay, so this is your main answer. Now what is your next one? Find the area of a quadrilateral whose vertices taken in order given. Find the area of the quadrilateral. It is very easy. When you have to find we'll do our fourth one. When you have to find the area of any quadrilateral, what you have to do, first of all, you have to know the area of that quadrilateral. But if it not given, whether it is a rectangle, whether it is a square, whether it is a rhombus and all, then for area of a quadrilateral, what you have to do is you have to find the area of two triangles, because you can divide this quadrilateral area of two triangles, that is ABC and ACD. You can find these areas, and then you can sum up these areas, and you get the area of a quadrilateral. So I'll find out first ABC. Here, let A be minus 4 minus 2, B be minus 3 minus 5, minus 3 minus 5, CB 3, 2 and 2, 3 minus 2, and DB 2, 3. Now you find out the area of a triangle ABC. First, area of triangle ABC, that is equal to half. Again read the formula, x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2, half. What is your x1? Now here you take A as x1 y1, B as x2 y2, and x3 this. Directly you can write it as minus 4 minus 5 minus of minus 2 plus, what is your x2? That is minus 3, y3 is minus 2, minus of y1 is minus of minus 2 plus, what is your x3? That is 3, and y1 is minus 2 minus y2, minus of minus 5. Really, please be careful while writing the sum. Minus 4, minus 5 plus 2, minus 5 plus 2, plus minus 3, minus 2 plus 2, plus 3, minus 2 plus 5. That is equal to half. Minus 4, minus 5 plus this is minus 3. Now minus into minus is minus 2 and plus 2, that is 0. So 0 into 3 you get is 0. Here also 5 minus 2 is 3, and 3 into 3 is 9. And what you get is half 12 plus 9, and that is half into 21, and that is 10.5 square unit. Now what we have to find out is area of a triangle ACD. What you have to find out is area of a triangle ACD. Area of a triangle ACD. Again, half into x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Take A, what we have to do now? A, C and D. So A, C and D. x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. x1 is minus 4. y2 is minus 2 and this is minus of minus 3. x2 is 3, then 3 minus of minus 2 plus x3 is 2 and then minus 2 minus of minus 2, you get this, that is half. See the signs properly. Minus 5, don't copy the signs wrong. 3 plus 2 into minus 2 plus of minus 2, half. 20 plus 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 3 is a 15 and here you get 0 because minus 2 plus 2 you get 0 and that is 35 upon 2 and you get is 17 plus 5 square 80. Okay. Now what is your area of a triangle? Now area of a area of a quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ACD and that is 10.5 plus 17.5 and you get is 28 square unit. Okay, the last sum of this exercise, that is, you have studied in class 10th that the median of a triangle divides it into two triangles with equal area. Yes, barabar. Verify this result for triangle ABC whose vertices are given. That means when you know that median of a triangle divides it into two equal area. Last one, we'll draw a triangle here ABC and this is the median, that is D. So here AD is the median of triangle ABC. Therefore, D is the midpoint of BC. Therefore, as D is the midpoint, first of all we have to find out the midpoints because they have given the vertices of the triangle, that is 4 minus 6, B is 3 minus 2 and C is 5, 2. So, before this we have to find out the midpoint, we have to find out the D, that is the midpoint of side BC. So, midpoint formula, what is our midpoint formula? x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y1 plus y2 upon 2, midpoint formula, that is x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y1 plus y2 upon 2, that is 3 plus 5 upon 2 and minus 2 plus 2 upon 2 and that is 8 upon 2, 0 and you get is 4 and 0. So your D point is 4 and 0. Now take one triangle ABD and one other triangle ADC and you find out the area of that triangle. area of triangle ABD, area of triangle ABD, where your A is 4 minus 6 and that is x1 y1 AB D na B is it is 3 minus 2 and that will be x2 y2 and your D will be D point at 4 and 0 and that is x3 y3. Okay, area of a triangle, area of a triangle ABD is equal to half x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Half x1 that is 4, y2 that is minus 2 minus y3 is 0, x2 is 3, y3 is 0, minus of minus means this is minus and y1 is minus, so it will become 6, x3 is 4, y1 minus 6, y2 minus of minus 2. Okay, half into minus 2 plus 3 into 6 plus 4 into minus 6 minus 2 that is minus of minus 2 and that is plus 2 and minus 6 this is 4. And what you get? Half into minus 8 plus 18 minus 16 and you get is half, that is minus 6 and that is equal to minus 3. But area cannot be negative, so area of a triangle ABD is 3 square meters. Now next triangle, what we have to do is we have to verify whether both the triangles are area of both the triangles is equal or not. So next triangle, that is ABC, area of a triangle ABC. What we have done it now? ADB. So it will be ABD, ADC, ADC. Okay. Again, A is x1 y1, B is x2 y2, and your D. C is x3 y3. Half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Find out the value, put up the values and find out the answers. x1 is 4, y2 is, your D is 0 and y3 is 2, x2 is 4, again it is 4, y3 is 2 and y1 is minus of minus 6, you get plus 6, x3 is 5 and minus 6 minus 0, you get half 4 into minus 2 plus 4 into 8 plus 5 into minus 6. What you get is half minus 8 plus 32 minus 30 and you get is into minus 6 and that is minus 6 upon 2, that is minus 3. But area cannot be negative. So again area of a triangle ADC is 3 square units. So what you got? Area of ABD is also 3 units and ADC is also 3 units. Here both the areas are equal as both the areas are equal. There hence the median of a triangle divided into two triangles of equal area. Hence the median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal areas. In this way, we have finished our 7.3 exercise. Now, what is the summary of this lesson? What we have learned is, we have learned the distance formula. The distance formula is under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. And the distance from the origin also, and the origin distance from the origin is x2 plus x square plus y square. Then the section formula, which is divided internally with the ratio m1 is to m2, that is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2, and m1 y2 plus m2 y2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. Midpoint formula, that is x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y1 plus y2 upon 2. And the last formula, that is area of a triangle, that is half into x1 in bracket y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 and y1 minus y2. Okay, so we have finished this lesson.